Hey there, Matthew here. So I have the Google Pixel Buds Pro 2 here. These are Google's latest earbuds. I wanted to wait a little bit until after all the hype of these earbuds here, just because, you know, with all the hype, everybody's all excited. So I wanted to wait, but also because right now they are having Black Friday sales for these. So usually these are $229.99, so $230, but with the Black Friday sales, which ranges from currently, this is Friday the 22nd of November, till probably at least Friday, the day after Thanksgiving, and probably into Monday, like Cyber Monday deals and all that. These are on sale for $179.99, so $180. So a $50 discount for the Black Friday sale, so just be aware of that. If you've seen any of the other reviews of these, then you know kind of the tech specs, but we'll just go over the tech specs real quick on these. We're not going to get too into all the text and all the specs and all that, but these are rocking Bluetooth 5.4, so the latest Bluetooth codecs. Sadly, they only do SBC and AAC, so only those two codexes. I wish Google had added like aptX Adaptive or aptX HD, but these should still sound pretty good. And for those iPhone people, like technically you could still use these as Bluetooth headphones, but you won't be able to get all the features, and you're limited to the AAC SBC codecs anyways, so nothing crazy there. But I know with Samsung, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, you have the special Samsung codecs and all that if you have a Samsung phone and all that. So just be aware that these are only limited to the AAC and SBC codexes. Again, Bluetooth 5.4. They do have low energy audio though, so that's good. They use a Gemini. They have it built in because these do have the Tensor chip built into them, but I'm not really going to be focusing on that because I really don't use it. I don't use it on my Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and I probably won't use it on these either just because I don't really care about all that special stuff. But if you wanted that, these do have the Gemini stuff into them. So these do have Find My device on them, so if you do lose them, you can use that Find My app on your phone in order to find these, so that's really good there. Charging wise, the case does charge via USB-C and wireless charging, so that's very nice. Very similar to the original Google Pixel Buds Pro here that I do have. I've had these, I've had the Pixel Buds, the original ones, and then, well, the second gen. The original ones were the ones with the string or with the cord, which I did have as well. So, but they kind of want you to forget about that. But I do have the Pixel Buds Pro, the originals here, so we can kind of compare real quick. Not crazy or anything like that. These do have fast charging, so with 5 minutes of charge of the earbuds in the case, you do get an hour and a half of battery life. These do have up to 45 hours of total listening time with the charging case, I'm assuming without your active noise cancellation, and up to 12 hours of just the earbuds without your active noise cancellation. With your active noise cancellation, you do have 8 hours of battery life of each individual earbud, and up to 30 hours of battery life with the case as well. So pretty good battery life, and it's nice that with 5 minutes of charging in the case, you do get an hour and a half of battery. Other than that, not a whole lot. These do come in 4 colors, so I do have the porcelain color here, but they do have a wintergreen, a hazel, and then a peony, piney, I don't know, however you want to pronounce it. But it looks pink, so I chose obviously not to get that. But anyways, we'll go ahead and rip this out, and there we go, just like this. And here there is the case. Nothing inside the lid like Samsung likes to do. We're gonna take it out, and obviously here is the case, and it is your familiar egg-shaped kind of feel. I will say, I don't know if it's because I've used the Google Pixel Buds more, but this is more of a matte finish versus that eggshell kind of finish. But anyways, there's that. And then underneath, you do get your ear tips. So you do extra small, small, and large, which means the mediums are pre-installed in the box. And then you do get your paperwork. And I like how everything is kind of compartmentalized right here. Nothing kind of crazy or anything like that, but you do get your kind of quick start guide. Bluetooth pairing, we'll go over all that. And then you can get your Pixel Buds Pro kind of scan that to kind of get started on that. But anyways, there is that. Okay, so let's look at the design real quick. The case is very similar to the original Pixel Buds and even the Pixel Buds A and all that. Very similar. The only real difference that you can tell just by the outside of the case is going to be where you have the USB-C here on the Pixel Buds Pro. You have that here, but right next to that you do have a little speaker, and that is for Find My. So if you lose the case and not the earbuds for whatever reason, you don't have the earbuds in the case, you can do Find My and it will play a sound for that. So that is nice that they do have that. But other than that, that's it. And I do like that you do have that button right here. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. You do have a button here for Bluetooth pairing. So easy access to Bluetooth pairing. I've been rocking the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro here, and they also have that as well. And I really like these. The fit is great, the sound is great, so I really want to try these as well and see how that is. But you open it up, and there are the Pixel Buds, and I love that snap. It's just such a nice snap. So again, I do have my Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold here. So let's just, here we go, put it, and just like that, there you go, connect. So we're gonna connect, and I'm gonna connect it right here. And there you go, just like that. As you heard kind of there's a little chime, and we're gonna just keep track. I'm gonna go add and agree, and there we go, and it's gonna add to my Find My device, so therefore I don't have to worry about trying to do it in some kind of setting or anything like that. I'm gonna do setup, and just like that, connect this app to your Pixel Buds. So continue, and this is a separate app for, let's say, your Galaxy. If you are rocking a Pixel phone, it does have it built into the settings itself. So I'm gonna agree, I'm gonna continue. And now it's going to show you kind of a demonstration on how to use them. So try on your earbuds next, and then it's going to show you like twist to have a more secure fit, don't twist if you want a more relaxed fit, stuff like that. Check your ear tip seal, so I'm going to do that later. And now look, learn touch controls. So swipe forward for raising volume, swipe backward to lower volume, press and hold to active noise cancellation or digital assistant. Single tap is going to do play or pause or answer a call. Double tap is going to do next track or reject a call, and triple tap is going to do previous track. So pretty nice. I do like that. You get all those with one earbud. Next, and then meet your Gemini assistant. I'm just it's whatever. So now customize and hold for your digital assistant. So I'm going to do my active noise cancellation on the right earbud, and on the left one, might as well do your digital assistant. So you can choose which one. You can do both active noise cancellation, you can do both digital assistant, or one or the other, depending on which one you want. Now they are ready to go, and just like that. And here's the app itself. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. Here's the app itself. It's pretty nice. I do like that you do have that. So touch control, sounds, EQ. So here in this EQ, you do have more of your volume balance. You can do equalizer, you can do like a heavy bass, light bass, stuff like that if you want, or if you go into it, you can customize it to your liking. It's not majorly extensive. You do have 5-band EQ, if you want to call it that, low bass, bass, mid treble, and upper treble. And then you can save it, and then once you save it, instead you can't sadly name your EQ, it's just last saved. So if you want to change it, then you would change it, and you won't have like 2 saves to go or anything like that. But so yeah, there's that. And then through this app, you would also do your noise cancellation, transparency mode, touch controls, hearing wellness, spatial audio, stuff like that. And you would also probably do your software updates as well. These are supposed to have 2 times the amount of active noise cancellation as the originals, so there's that. But let me just compare the two. Here's, let's say, your left one. So as you can see here, the new ones are considerably smaller. It's a different shape, and like, I like the sound of the originals. I just didn't like how they fit just because of the size and shape of these, but I do like that they made these smaller and have that extra fin there, so that's really nice. I'm gonna put these originals back in the case. There you go. And I'm gonna go ahead and put these in just to feel how, ooh, they feel light, which is nice. And I've got to say, active noise cancellation. Active noise cancellation is actually pretty good. I can't hear a whole lot. It is good, so it's not Bose level, but it is pretty good. And then transparency. And it does feel pretty natural, though I do feel some digital processing for the for like outside volume and all that. So just be aware it's not going to be exactly like your AirPod Pro's transparency mode. Those, in my opinion, are the best transparency modes that I've heard in a pair of true wireless earbuds, but that may just be me. So yeah, again, active noise cancellation, very good. I do like this. Gosh, these sound really good with the active noise cancellation, at least canceling out that noise. But the fit is very, very nice. It's not too tight, not too loose, and with that fin, with the ear fins, it does kind of give it a little bit more secure fit, and it feels a lot better. But anyways, so yeah, I'm going to try to replace my Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. I really did like these. They sound great in my opinion, and I like that I can change the EQ on these, and now with these you can do the same thing. So I will do that and then just use these for the next couple months and try them out and see. So anyways, thank you. This has been my unboxing, walkthrough, and setup of the Google Pixel Buds Pro 2. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead, subscribe. Hit that bell icon to be notified when I post another video. Until then, everybody, stay safe. Peace.